Alright guys, time to change the inner filter, cabin filter that is, for the Range Rover. This is the L320, I believe. It's 2007. I know the filter is here. I gotta squeeze the two clips on the side to drop it. Get this side here. Okay. And it's under here. Somewhere. Okay, there's a clip on the side here that I gotta press and slide this out. Alright, and there goes the original cabin filter. You can see airflow pointing down, and that's how you're going to pull that one out. This one seems hella dirty. Oh my goodness. Whoa, this has not been changed at all. You can tell that it's been in here for a long time. Oh my goodness, we've been breathing all this in. Look at that. Oh, it's disgusting. Disgusting. Alright, I'm gonna look at the new one. What a difference, huh? Wow. Sorry, family. I didn't know I was treating you guys that bad. So we're just gonna put it back in. You see the flow? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Look at that. Same flow. This one apparently is a no-name brand, but we know the flow is still the same. Facing down, we're gonna just slide this back in. And there we go, like the original. Take this, let me bang this out a little bit. It's gonna be dusty. Gonna slide it in from this way and go in that way. Alright. Slide it in. Gonna go under. Okay. What am I missing? This goes in there. Alright, sometimes these things are hard to put in once you're putting in a new filter, but you see these edges here, they're going to go under the filter when you slide them in. So it's going to go under the filter here, and there's some little notches here. Let me take this out. So there's notches here. You can see them. Let's see. It's dark. Little notches there. I can put the light on. Here we go. Now we can see. So there's little notches right here. So this would fit in between here and the fall wall on that side, and the same on this end. Okay. Just slide this back in, like so. And the little notch is going to fit right under there, you see? So let's get this in here. And we're just gonna slide this like that under on both sides. Just slide it under. You see, then we're just gonna push it in that way. And then we'll be able to fit this back. I'm gonna slide this end under here. You see that? Slide that end. Right there, focus. Slide that end under there. See, it clips in. That's where we slid it out initially. Slide this in here. And push and click. Now it's closed. Alright. That's the filter. Cabin filter.